Hello children. Yesterday I started the human rights. No, we are learning human rights, meaning and types of human rights. We learned yesterday only, children. Nearly 10 human rights I explained. Basic one, children. All are having the right for the food, shelter, cloth, health, and security. Now for all this one we are wearing the basically this is all human rights. Along with that, now our constitution has made compulsory and free education up to 14. This is all comes under the human rights only. Apart from this one, some child rights also are there, children. That one we are learning today. And one more human right is right to employment. Most important one it is also, children. We are having the right to do our own employment. That right also we are having, because for the livelihood we need the employment. So what type of employment? In that also what are the human rights? That one we are learning today. Okay. Yes, see children, employment. Whatever we need, we want to do, that employment we are having the right to do. Our own business or private jobs, government job, that one we are doing. But in that, some rights we are having. What type of it is? Equal pay for the equal work. If see, discrimination is there in the Indian society, women are paid less than the man. That difference is there. So, but we are having the right to equal payment for the equal work. When work is same, duration is same, equal payment should be there. It should be given to the both man and woman. That is also human right. Then duration of the work should not be more than specified by the government. More than that, man is working means it will badly affect on his health. Mental stability also will collapse, children. So the duration of the work should be what the government is specified, no? According to that it should be. In some department it is 6 hours, some department 8 hours is there. So it should not exceed more than the specified time. Duration of work it is called. Then paid leaves. So in between leaves should be there. Some holidays should be there. That should be paid one, children. If you are taking the leave means that should be paid one, because that is essential as a human being, as we are living. As we are living in the society, we need some leaves. That should be paid one. Then in between the work, rest should be there. All the 8 hours, all the 6 hours, continuously man is working means will exhaust. In between some rest should be there. In all the types of work, there is an interval. Yes, no children. That is all need for the health of the person. That comes under the human rights only. And working area should be good one. Good one in the sense proper lighting, air should come, and if any machineries are producing the excess heat, if they are danger means some protection should be provided to the employees. That is all human rights only. If anything happens means they may put the case on that employer who appointed them and who not given the security for that people. Understood, children? Yes, this is all comes under the right to employment. Now I will take the human child rights, children. See, human rights are there, but in that child rights are again the special one only, because as a child it needs more care, more protection it needs, more facilities they need to develop as a individual. So for that purpose, government has made separate child rights. That one you will learn now. Okay. Yes. Why these child rights, children? Child rights means these are the opportunities. Again, how human rights are the opportunities to develop as an individual. No? Same way, child rights are also opportunities, facilities to develop the childhood. Followed? That one are called as the child rights. What are those child rights? See, children, these child rights are natural one only, but sometimes some children will not get this one because of the society or many reasons will be there. But as a child, it must get all these facilities which are naturally it should be available to the every child. What it is? First one is every child has the right to spend its childhood with its parents. It is natural, no children. Small baby or small child is there means naturally it should grow with his parents only. But because of many reasons, sometimes it will, because of some reasons, children, the child will grow in some other place far away from his parents. But it is wrong. Parental care is very important for the child in the childhood. Yes, no? That is the child right. Second one, every child should have the physical protection, food, education, and health facility as its right. Yes, children. As a child, it must have the physical protection because child is unable in many cases. It can't walk independently. It can't go anywhere. Even small baby means it can't eat independently. So it needs the physical protection as a child and proper nutritious food. And when it is grow up to the school age means education, protection, all these health facilities all should be given to the child. As a child, it must get all these facilities. Third one, child have the right to have the civic rights without any discrimination based on the physical disabilities, religion, race, color of skin, sex, etc. So, as a child, every child should get some civic rights. For example, going to the school. If any celebration is going on, means participating in that. Any competition is there, means participating in that. It must have the right to participate in all this one. There should not be any discrimination between the child, rich, poor, on color basis, on the basis of boy and girl. There should not be any discrimination. Whatever the facilities are available in the society, it should be available to the every child. That is called child right. And recently government has made free and compulsory education up to 14 years. That is also child right only, children. RT, you heard the word, no? Right to education it is. Up to 14 years, or every child is having the right to get the education. It is free and compulsory. Then, as a child, these rights are not enough, children. Even though human rights are there, child rights are there, but some children are again their life is in the risk. They are not getting all the facilities which should be available to them because child labor is there. It is there in the practice. Law is made till today. It is in the practice. So why the government has made separate law for that one? It prohibited the child labor in the year 1986. 1986, it made the law that no one should appoint the child as a labor with pay or without pay. It is against the law only. Up to the age of 18 years, you should not appoint any person or any child as a employer in any places because it is against its growth. Both health, physical and mental health will be affected by that child because childhood is maturity of mind will be not there, children, and it is the age for education. Maturity is not there. They are not having the responsibilities. In that, you are taking the burden of work means it will absorb the mental growth as well as the physical growth. That's why government has prohibited the child labor. So up to 14 years you can't appoint any person as a employer. If anyone appointed like that means they will be punished by the court, children. Either it may be 1 year jail or fine, or with the fine jail also. However, the condition is according to that government will give the punishment to the employer who appointed the any child which is below the 14 years as an employee. But till today it is continued, children. Government has mentioned some undertakings or some businesses where the child are appointing. That is, Civil works children related to railways, automobiles, workshops and garages. So many times you will see that one. Wherever the construction work is there, child laborers will be there. Garage, hotels, and many places children. Workshops, in that they are using the small children as a laborers. Looms, mines, mining units. These are very dangerous one. Hazards there. Chemical and explosives factories. Cracker factory. 2 years or 3 years back, one accident was there children. In the cracker factory, many children were packing the crackers. Accidentally, the fire caught the fire, and nearly 20 children were burnt alive. Like this, some accidents will be there. In hotels, normally they are appointing bars, and in the entertainment places, for example, circus and all. In that, they are employing the small children. Then glass making units. Then paint factories, carpet weaving. These all units, cements and gum, paint, matchboxes, crackers, soap weaving, mercury. In all these factories, they are appointing the children, as well as in the tire making factories, as well as in the insecticides making factories. Insecticide means pesticides and insecticides which are using in the agriculture children. They are poisonous. In that you are using the children. Crackers you are using. Chemicals you are factories you are using the children means children's mentality is not so mature to work in this dangerous place, because child is not capable to think which is risky for it, which is dangerous for it. Child mentality is not so much grown up. So accidents may happen there. Because of this reason, government has prohibited to employ the child in all these places. Not only these places children, anywhere you can't appoint the hotels and all, it is not dangerous. But even though you can't appoint any child below 14 years as a labor. Followed? Yes. This is all the child rights children, and the places also I explained where normally children are employed as a laborers. Why it is should not be employed the child as a labor also I explained. Now how to protect the human rights, that also is there. I will take in the next class. Okay, for today's class I will give the homework. Yes, homework for today children. What do you mean by right to employment? Just explain that will be right. Mention the child rights. 3 or 4 I explained children, that will be right point wise. Then when did the Child Labour Prohibition Act came into force? The year what I wrote on the board, child running at the right. Yes, and this much is enough for today children. In next class I will take the how to protect the human rights, what associations are there, that one I will explain. Okay, thank you.